Tonitos, we need to make a movie today. You gonna make a movie with me?
Yeah, we're gonna talk all about what we eat on a road trip.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Starting with cereals right now.
It's shift swap time at the Maroney Fitzgerald household. I've got my best buddy all snuggled up. He's gonna take a shift of probably just like
Best day ever over here.
1 hour or so, do you think that's all you need, and then you'll be back?
1.5.
Just kidding. Yesterday we split it up very evenly, so I'm sure we'll do the same today. And today, as we head home to Toronto for the fall and winter season for our tea business, we thought, hey, let's show you what we eat in a road trip day, because you guys know we love food and we get creative and yada yada, but some mornings we just have cornflakes cereal knockoff with blueberries and coconut almond milk. I'm gonna smash this and I'm gonna get behind the driver's seat and we're gonna go to Ontario! The worst part about what's been happening right now is we have no water, which means no morning tea, which means a little bit of the caffeine shakes, you know what I mean?
You should go and get a tea, Bubs.
Should I?
Yeah, just ask for hot water, I'll give it to you.
That is the road trip hack you didn't know you needed. I didn't know I needed. That was awesome. I just walked in, they have a full-on hot water tank, and she said, yeah, go right ahead. So I'm now going to just put one of our chai.
Alright, buddy. Enough chit chat. Let's see you log some hours. Hello, friends.
Hi, buddy. Oh. I thought you were talking to me.
What? I just woke up from a nap to give back some peaches. We cut these up fresh from a farmer's market. So I think she's just gonna take that on her lap right there.
Oh, you don't want any?
No, thank you. Yeah,
peaches are so good, and these were from the Okanagan when we were in BC. Are you going back to bed?
I got an hour left in my shift.
Okay.
Yeah, there's not much going on in here. It's a little bit of hummus and carrots.
Yeah, hummus and carrots is amazing.
And olives.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
That doesn't sound amazing to me, but
what do you feel like?
I feel like chugging this chocolate milk.
No, don't waste it.
What? There's only a little bit left.
Okay, well, I want
Waste it?
Well, like, I mean, I bought it for me, is all.
What?
I did. It's
We're a team. Everything that is mine is yours.
Yeah, but it was my treat the other day, and you've been drinking all of it. I saw you the other day.
The Silk Almond Milk Dark Chocolate. Oh, yeah, dark chocolate. It's phenomenal.
So good. Everyone's passing this dude. You wouldn't let me pass. I'm passing too. Everyone's passing. You! You! I'm gonna need for speed!
So yeah, we're having carrots and hummus. There's only like 6 carrots left.
Oh no.
Wow. Limited resources out in these parts, huh?
Did we specify where we were going from? Last night we were in Winnipeg, Manitoba.
Yeah.
And today we're trying to make it to Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. We will put a little map here. We're driving across the country back to Toronto, Ontario. So we're out in the middle of not so much. Okay.
I've never been so sure of anything in my life. These people have never seen a vlogger. Let's do this. Let's see what they got. No, no, no. I'm gonna support corporate America. This is a Pepsi product. This company is from the East Coast.
Yeah.
And funny story, tell them about the storm chips.
There's so many big storms on the East Coast, and they combine all their flavors in one. And whenever there's a storm coming,
awesome.
Everyone goes to the grocery store and there's none in stock. Because they eat them all.
45 on diesel.
Heard you talking about those chips there, storm chips? We
Yeah,
used to have
man.
them, actually.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I sold them all really fast. They're really good.
Thanks, dude. Have a good one.
Let's reiterate that this is a road trip day. This is not how we would normally operate.
Yeah, people are gonna be like, what vegans eat? They just eat garbage all the time. Not true.
Actually, but I sometimes think that people think we don't eat garbage and we just eat kale and lettuce all the time. And that's not true either. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Are you on shift?
What's your plan for the next 2 hours?
A little bit of this. A little bit of this.
Alright, let's hit the road.
If I can do anything well, I think it's like picking out products based on packaging
Yeah,
and reading the ingredients. I'm really good at that. I've never seen this
meh.
flavor before. It's kind of sweet, but pretty good. They're meh.
Yeah.
Let's make it to T-Bay and then onwards.
Okay.
So the other day, we were at this really cute farmer's market in Revelstoke, BC. Can you believe we were in BC a couple days ago?
I know.
And I picked up this really cute hand-woven basket from Africa. It even has like the name of the weaver and the village they're from and everything. So this is my new obnoxiously large basket for grocery shopping. Let's go!
Avocat.
If you ever want to find Eamon and I at a grocery store, come to the natural health food section. We get lost in this section.
You're wondering where all our money goes. Come to the natural food section.
Right? These are essential.
These are bomb.com.
Yeah.
Where are the bean ones?
They're really good for like on the road. If this is like an on the road, what vegans eat on the road?
On the road.
On the road.
OTR.
Been super into this lately.
It's not sponsored by So Fresh, but it's,
But he loves the oat milk.
it's the future. I love it. It's so tasty.
I'm gonna make a chai latte with
Unsweetened,
that.
But it's freaking delish. Grab me like 3 of these, dude.
Okay, so it is 5:30. We think we can have a couple more hours in us. So we're gonna make a Greek salad now and then make the chili in a couple of hours when we've landed where we're gonna sleep the night. You wanna make a Greek salad with me? The other day we got this amazing vegan cheese from the local market called Black Sheep. Some olive, red onion, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. 3, 2, boom!
Boom!
Look at that!
I'm having a bubbly.
Buddy! Rate my Greek salad.
Really good. The only thing that would make it better is like
More
real,
black pepper.
Well, yeah.
Real olive oil.
Well, yeah.
What?
Real cherry tomatoes.
Oh, like fresh from the.
Now we're getting spoiled, but yeah, it's unreal. The feta, even that little bit of feta cheese makes it
So good.
That's like my #1 priority now. Getting home.
Yeah.
It's probably the first thing I'm gonna do is figure out how to make that tofu feta.
I don't know if I explained that to you.
Freestyle Friday.
Oh, the things we do for a thumbnail. That better be a good thumbnail.
I hope you guys like that one.
We are on the hunt for water. We need water. If we're gonna make a real proper dinner, we need to do the dishes that are currently in the sink, and we need to be able to clean up after.
Nice Canadian bloke. Definitely willing to help out, you know. And told him we're just gonna grab 5 gallons. He said, no problem, I won't charge you. So we're Jiminy Cricket over here.
Quick question. Were you just not feeling like the last 2 Triscuits, or?
That's exactly what happened. For those of you who have questions about how we function without hot water, show them, buddy.
We don't.
We boil a pot.
You put the dishes on the floor. Get a little bowl.
Yeah.
Scoop just a little bit of hot water. It's gonna be too hot for me, so I'm gonna add a little coal. Add a little soap in there.
And we do up the D's.
And we do the dishes just like you do at home.
Ay, papi, you know how to make a chili sin carne.
Ready for dinner?
Looks delicious, papi.
It's a little watery, don't mind that.
No, it looks bueno.
So Eamon grew up eating everything ice cold. It's just the way of the Fitzgerald. So he's gonna eat this in like, what, 3 hours? Oh, you're gonna go for it.
No.
I wanna see how you like it.
Oh, papi, this is way too hot for me. Anybody else love, not lukewarm, but just above lukewarm?
It's gross.
Taste all the flavors, you can actually eat it.
Nobody likes that. This is very exciting. Oh, got some stuff in my teeth. You guys, it's time. Unreal! Vegan Reese's peanut butter cups. One for you. Seeing as it's only 10 degrees where we are near Thunder Bay, Ontario, I thought I would wrap up the evening with a little chai latte. So I'm gonna be making it with our rooibos chai blend, which is the one that comes in the green package, which is naturally caffeine free. Rooibos is also packed with antioxidants and has a really nice light flavor. So you get all the spice of the chai without the caffeine and boost that I had this morning. For those of you who might not know, Eamon and I hand make all of these chai blends. We work with our farmers in India for our black tea and in South Africa for our rooibos tea. We've actually been to South Africa to meet them. Anyways, I'm going to whip it up with some almond coconut milk from Silk. So I'll show you guys quickly how I make that. I'm gonna grab a scoop of the chai blend, put that right into the pot, top this up with the almond coconut milk. Now this milk has no sugar added. Sometimes I like my chai lattes a little sweet, so I might add a bit of maple syrup, but we'll see how we go. And basically I simmer this for 5 minutes or so. And I'll strain it out and show you that. So the first indicator that it's gonna start tasting good is when the milk goes from bright white to a little bit brown from the steeping of the tea and the spices. I'm gonna give that 2 or 3 more minutes. Turn that off. I've got my fine mesh strainer, put that over the mug. If you guys are at all interested in supporting our chai company or checking it out, I will link it below in the description box. It's just chaiwallachai.com, and we now have better shipping rates to the States as well as international. So go ahead and check it out. Do you want to sign off the vlog with me, boo? We hope you guys enjoyed a long travel day. We almost drove for, what did we say, 12 hours?
Yeah, that's crazy, dude.
12 hours. Our feeding, sound like animals, but our feeding schedule has been a little bit off. So I hope you guys enjoyed just coming along for the ride with us, seeing what we eat. If you guys are interested in more food related videos, we post a recipe every Friday.
Freaking Friday.
And the next time we see you guys, we're gonna be back home in Toronto, Ontario.
But get excited because we're gonna share a lot more behind the scenes with our company, our business, how we make the tea, all of the secrets we're just gonna give to you.
And we've got some exciting babysitting we're gonna be doing that might involve a really cute dog for a week. So maybe van life with a dog. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited to be going home, and yeah. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel to join the journey. All right, until Toronto.
Peace.
Peace, guys.